In this video, we will walk you through the new sign-in experience for MyiTero.com and your iTero scanner. This upgrade is designed to enhance the sign-in experience, aligning with international authentication standards and facilitating a faster and more intuitive user flow. iTero users can now achieve quicker access to their scanners throughout the day by logging in with a password only once each morning, then using a personal 6-digit PIN for the rest of the day. First, enter your email address and then enter your password. After your initial sign-in with your password on each scanner, you'll be prompted to set up a personal 6-digit PIN code for each specific scanner. After initial sign-in, your PIN allows you to quickly access the scanner without having to enter your password each time. Moreover, if the scanner is in offline mode, your PIN enables you to sign in and continue using the scanner. Although you can use the same PIN across multiple devices, you'll need to set it up separately on each scanner. You will receive a reminder to update it ahead of time. Note that since multiple people may use the same login email, the PIN is linked to the email address. Select the user. Each morning, you will need to sign in once with your password, and you will then be able to log in throughout the day using only your PIN. If you ever forget your PIN, you can always log in with your password and create a new one. You can adjust how often you need to log in by going to Settings, then selecting Login Settings to manage your login frequency. For your security and convenience, we have also updated the password reset experience. If you ever forget your password, click Forgot Password, and a secure reset link will be sent to your registered email address. Next time you log in to MyiTero.com or use the scanner after the update, simply follow the on-screen instructions. For more information on this and other topics, visit our employee education site.